afternoon, chefs. My name is Sullivan, and today I will be preparing what I like to call Benedict's burger. My inspiration is Eggs Benedict because I've always been a fan of it, and I've also always been a fan of burgers, so this competition was kind of a calling to me to combine those two. I will be preparing a homemade hollandaise sauce and then a garlic-infused burger on a brioche bun. We'll be using 8 ounces of ground sirloin, so we're gonna cut some of that off, measure it. After touching raw meat, it's very important to wash your hands thoroughly so you don't bring any foodborne illnesses. Our next step is to prepare our pan. I'm using a small skillet, and we're gonna line it with some cooking spray. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of garlic in there, just under actually. And then we're gonna spread that. Next, we're gonna want to put our burger into the pan. Slide that right in. Cover it with the lid just so it infuses the burger with the garlic flavor. We'll leave that on for about 2 minutes or so, and then after that we'll check the heat with our thermometers to make sure it gets to 165 degrees, and we'll see where we go from there. After it's been about 2 minutes, I'm going to remove my lid, and I'm going to wash that because I'm going to need that to make my hollandaise sauce. As the burger starts to look done, we're going to take our meat thermometer and we're going to check its temperature. Like I said before, we want it to be at least 165 degrees. As to kill off all foodborne illnesses. We're at about 145 right now, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit longer. While the burger is finishing up, we're gonna start with our hollandaise sauce. We're gonna add half a cup of heavy cream. Scrape that up so our mixture is right. Add 4 egg yolks separated from the egg whites. Now, in my past experience, I've learned that I should whisk it right away when these yolks get in so they don't start to scald to the bottom and make a chunky hollandaise sauce, because nobody likes this chunky hollandaise sauce. Next, we're going to add 1½ tablespoons of lemon juice. We're going to add a teaspoon of yellow mustard. And we're going to add 2 pinches of cayenne pepper. Now we're going to whisk thoroughly. And now we let it sit and let it cook. After I've combined all my ingredients with a hollandaise sauce, I'm going to add our final ingredient, which is going to be a ½ stick of unsalted butter. I can see that my burger's almost done, so I'm going to check the temperature one last time to double check that it's good, so again we don't have any foodborne illnesses. Just about 165. I'm going to take it out of the pan, throw it on our plate, and cover it with a bowl so we don't lose any heat. To check if our hollandaise sauce is done, we're going to take the back of a spoon. So I like to use this because I don't want to waste too much. And we're going to dip it in, and it coats it fully, like so. You know it's done and thick enough so you can take it off the heat, turn off your heat, and then let it sit there while you finish up everything else. The key component to an Eggs Benedict is, of course, the egg. So to prepare that, we're going to poach the egg in about 1 inch of water and a tablespoon of white vinegar. Now that we have our boiling water, we're going to crack an egg into there so we can poach it. After 2 minutes of letting our egg poach, we're going to take it out with a slotted soup spoon as to drain the water. Set it on a paper towel. The final makeup of our ultimate burger goes like this: bottom bun, fresh Wisconsin cheddar cheese, 8-ounce burger, poached egg, our hollandaise sauce from what we made before, and then our top brioche bun. Thank you for watching, and have a good rest of your day.